Okay, welcome back, everybody. Okay, in this one, we're going to add the health. But before we do that, let's increase the track because right now we press play. We're gonna run out of track, as you can see. So so what we're gonna do is we're gonna increase the track. So basically, um, select track and double click track. All right, then once it opens, and we're gonna create something private on Traeger enter. So below the layout obstacles, type in private void on trigger enter collider other curly braces, tab over, type in an if statement, if other dot compare tag parentheses is car. Usually people will put player, but this is a car, so you can put car. Curly braces, transform dot position equals new vector 3, and just before we enter, make sure it actually go ahead and add parentheses to this. And we're going to add 0, 0, transform dot z plus. Now before we do this, go to select track 1, and from track 1 zoom out, add a component. We're going to add a box collider. Type in box collider or type in box and add a box collider. All right, let's see if we can find the box collider. So let's see here. So finally, let's raise it up. Put the size for the Y, put it 10, and 10 and 10 for the X. And here's the collider. And basically what we're going to do is for the Y, I mean not for the Y, for the Z position, 80. Move it over to the Z. Let's see here, flying over, holding the mouse the left mouse button and the W key, and let's make the X a little bit bigger, probably like 15 and Y 15. All right. And so basically what's going to happen is, I'm going to make this an untrigger trigger. So basically what's happening is when the car drives through, it will loop. You'll see that in a little while. So go here. So click on the settings over here. Click copy. Then go to track 2. And then click here and click on paste component as new. And then it'll paste the component, the values that we created. So select car, and then from here, I already created a car tag, so all you have to do is same thing as we created the obstacle. Just click add tag, select, and just type in car, and then click save. Already have it added. So select the car again, click the tag the car, and then go back to your script. And before you type in plus, it actually is transform dot position dot z plus 80 or whatever whatever you have. If you increased it times 2. Save. Okay, and what I mean is, I'm pointing this out again. So basically, if you selected track 1 and your track, and basically it has to go beyond track 1. So if your track is bigger or smaller, just take whatever number that's over here and make even like I mean mine is 80, because that's how far that takes in the track 1, and the box collider is further away from track 1. So whatever you have that's further away, if it could be 100 or whatever, you just put that number into the script. You put that number into the script. 80. Well, mine is 80, but whatever number you have, you put that in here, times it by 2. All right. Hit save. And then what will happen is, if we press play, the track should start looping. See? All right. Okay, so since we have that going on, next is we're going to create the hit points for it. So basically, what we're going to do is you're going to go to create over here, click UI, then we're going to create a canvas, and then in the canvas, so to be able to easily see this, select the 2D, highlight canvas, press F, and then here's the canvas. I'm zooming in by using the mouse, the middle mouse key, and then you're going to go over to Canvas Scaler, the Canvas Scaler script, and then you're going to select Scale with Screen Size. All right, and then from there, you're going to right-click on the canvas again, and then select Game Object, and basically you're going to create empty. I'm sorry, create empty. And then basically you're going to go ahead and select, type in health, and then from the health. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to find some images for the health. So I already found one. So all you have to do is type in heart PNG, and then let's see here. Find one. Yeah, find one. Find a heart that has a background that looks like this, and then just hit copy, save image as. Okay. So I saved the image as that heart. So go to and put it on the desktop. So basically, drag it into the Unity. Put it underneath the assets, and then grab it, and then you want to select where it says default sprite 2D, and click apply, and then we have our sprite, or image sprite. Now go back to health, and then from the health, right click health, select UI, then select image, and then once you select the image, drag the heart into the source image, which is right here, source image. So you drag the heart, source image, boom, you got the heart there. And let's resize it, probably so you can see in the game by selecting game. Resize it to see here, 50 by 50. Okay, and then let's move the health up by selecting the cross. Move it up to the center. Over it, yeah, up to the center, like so. And then I'll duplicate the image by clicking Control D. Duplicate 3 times, and select the second image, move it over, and the third image, and then move it over. So we have the heart icon for the UI. All right, and then once that is done, next what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a script. So for this, so select canvas, and you can click on add component. See where it says new script, click new script. I'm going to call this UI manager. Alright, then double click on UI manager, and once you open up UI manager, go to using Unity UI, using Unity engine. We're going to type in using Unity engine dot UI, so we can call the UI script. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and create a public array. for images. So go ahead and click public image brackets. We're gonna call this hit points. All right, and create a public then next on here, below here, we're going to create a public void to update the lives. Parentheses int HP. Enter. Then for int I equals 0, semicolon I greater than hit points dot length semicolon I plus plus brackets if HP greater than I, curly braces, hit points brackets I dot color equals color dot white. And then a semicolon. Then here, type else, curly braces. Inside there, type in hit points brackets I dot color equals color dot black. All right, and then save. Then we're going to go to the car script. Or if you don't have the car script, select car and double click the car script to open up the car script. Okay, and then from there we're going to create a private UI manager. So go below static int collided value, and we're going to type in private UI manager and then in the start you're gonna go in start and then type in UI manager equals find object of type greater than less than signs. Inside there, put UI manager parentheses. So basically, what it is going to do is it's going to find the object of type UI manager. All right. And then next, after that, we're going to go inside the private collider other under current life, and we're going to put in UI manager the one that with the lowercase dot update lives current life. Close with the semicolon. click save, save it, then go to Unity, and then from Unity, we're going to go ahead and select the UI Manager, hit points. So basically, from the UI Manager, drag these down by just drag one by one. So drag it in. That's 1, and 2, and 3. All right. And then once that's done, let's play the game and see if we play the game, the hearts, if we hit the obstacle, the hearts should go away, and it should show black heart. Let's press play. Yep, hit it. Hit it again, and hit it again. As you see that the hearts go away. Stop the game. Okay, so one thing I forgot to add. So this allows us to actually increase the speed part of it. So basically, select the track script, go to the scripts folder, and select track. Double click it, open up your track, and then in here, so in the track, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to type in other dot get component, greater than less than signs, car, parentheses, dot increase speed, parentheses, semicolon, save. Then if we go back to the Unity editor and press play, and as long as if you don't hit nothing, you'll see the speed will increase. See? See how it's getting faster? All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and stop it. And then the next video we'll move on to the next video where we will do the collection of money to make the game a little bit interesting. All right. And also, again, if you want to learn more, you can go in the description, click on my Amazon affiliate links below, and then that will teach you more about developing games and coding.